Today it's the 26th of September 2022. We have Yliskyläntie vägen to Stekis B. I filmed the Stekis A here before, and now Yliskyläntie 86 have also filmed it. But we have only the Stekis C left to be filmed here. In this residential building, it's here in Yliskylä, uppe i Laajasalo, Helsinki headquarters, also on the Finland. And the capacity is 4 persons, so 325 grams. Built by Kone with novel elements fixtures in 1996, early 1996. So then the Stekis A was built late 1995.
Yeah.
Finished 96. Turned 25 years old in last year, 2021. And this universe is 68430. It's going to be inspected in 2024 with 4 floors. So it's even more interesting than I thought.
Yeah.
Late 1995, early 1996. Then probably C is also early 1996.
Yeah. Inspektert by Gemeindeplan, maintained by Sponhis.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Probably 4 hours. No.
That's
Oh, yes.